morning, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. I am Riya Sharma, JNM third year student. Today, I am standing here in front of you to demonstrate the procedure of cord care. First of all, definition. Cord care is a series of steps applied to handling the umbilical cord and to clean the cord and to prevent infection. Then, purposes. Help to prevent infection, help to prevent entry of bacteria, to keep baby healthy, to help to keep cord clean and dry. Then points should be remembered before starting the procedure. 5 principles should be kept in mind before starting the procedure. First of all, preparation of nurse, preparation of articles, preparation of unit and client, step of procedure, termination of articles, record and report, then health education. First of all, preparation of nurse. A nurse should be prepared both physically as well as mentally. In physically, hair should be tidy, sleeves should be above the elbow, all ornaments should be removed, dress should be neat and clean, shoes should be well covered. Then mentally, thorough knowledge regarding the procedure, that is less harm and more benefit to the procedure, positive attitude toward the patient. Then preparation of articles. Cord care tray containing following articles: a sanitizer to prevent from cross infection, cotton swab with spirit to clean the cord care, if umbilical cord are not, then we use the cotton strips and cord clamp to cord the clamp, paper bag for gloves to prevent from infection, a sterile sheet to cover the baby to provide warmth of the baby, kidney tray to collect the wet waste, and gauze piece if any discharge occurs, and screen to maintain privacy of the patient, wash with draw sheet to prevent from swelling. Procedure. First of all, we do dry hand washing. Then we clean the cord. With the help of cotton spirit. We help the cord with center to spherical.
In one stroke.
And then in one stroke and then discard. It repeats second time.
Then
Clean the stump of the cord.
Just like one stroke.
Then discard. Repeated step in one stroke and then discard. Repeat it again, one stroke and then discard.
अब क्या करेंगे? Squeeze करेंगे हम cord को अगर उसमें कुछ आ रहा है.
Squeeze.
We will not put anything over the cord. We will not apply oil, powder, and any emulsion over the cord. This stump should be clean and dry every time. So we will not pull this. If our cord is bleed from here, then we will apply second ligature to tie up the cord because it will lead to the blood loss of the patient. After that, we will see the surrounding of the area of where the cord is attached. It should be dry and it should be no redness. There should be no pus around by this. So we will leave this. Again, we will not attach this cord with this napkin. Otherwise, it will pull out and later this will lead to the umbilical hernia. So this is about the cord care.
And do not cover the cord with any type of dressing.
Yes. So our cord is dry. We are not covering it with any dressing. So जब आप पहनाते हो ना कपड़े, तो इसको ना ऐसे रखना, थोड़ा ऊपर ही करना, इसमें नहीं लगाना डाइपर में. एक तो इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ऐसे लगाना कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं लगाना है, लेकिन इसके बीच भी नहीं लगाना है, लंगोट से. और ये मेल चाहेगा ना, ये सुसु करेगा, ये गंदा कर देगा, तो उसको थोड़ा सा साइड में आगे से, फिर इसमें इन्फेक्शन होने के चांसेस जा सकते हैं. और ये पूरा रेड सा भी लग रहा है, ये क्या हुआ है? इसको किस चीज में काटा है? This is about the cord care.
ये दुख गया है, खाया देखना. That's all about my procedure. Thank you.